Questioning is a critical thinking skill that students can use to strengthen comprehension. This lesson idea will focus on 3 types of question-answer relationships: in the text, in your head, and in another source. Explain to students that effective readers ask questions before, during, and after reading. They seek information and clarify understanding. Start by having students generate questions by reviewing the title of a selection or skimming through the text. Students can record their questions on Post-it notes. Next, read the beginning portion of the text and via Think Aloud, model how to ask questions and record them on Post-its. Allow the students to read the next portion independently or in small groups. Keep in mind that as students generate questions, you may need to plant a few higher-level questions of your own. After students have generated questions on their Post-it notes, explain that there are several types of questions. Some have the answer stated directly in the text. For other questions, in order to answer, you have to add what's in your head, your prior knowledge, to be able to answer. Then other questions have the answer in another source. Use the graphic organizer to have students place their Post-its in the appropriate column. Model with a class-size graphic organizer or chart paper. Students can also work with a group to add their Post-its to a group graphic organizer. Finally, select questions for the students to answer. Explicitly show how answers to in the text questions are found directly in the selection. In your head questions require using your prior knowledge and supporting evidence from the text. After sufficient practice, allow students to work independently. In future lessons, as students move on to making inferences, help them see that inferences are in your head questions. For nonfiction text, it can be especially interesting to challenge students to find the answers to in another source questions on their own. Students can take these challenges for homework and then report back to the class. Asking questions and examining question-answer relationships are ways to improve comprehension and critical thinking. Sometimes finding the right answer requires asking the right questions.